Hi ma'am, can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Ronilyn Bacos Capusas, 37 years old, from Purok Tagumpay, Barangay Salabaca, Esperanza, Sultan Kudarat. I am a single mother.
Do you have kids?
Yes, sir. I have one daughter and 14 years of age.
Who will take care of your child if you come to Hong Kong?
My mom.
How many siblings do you have?
I have five siblings, three brothers and two sisters. I am the third child in the family.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am a graduate high school.
Do you have overseas experience?
Yes, sir. I work in Qatar, March 2021 to October 2023. I serve a couple employer with seven children, aged 20 years and 18, 16, 14, 13, 9, and 5 years old. I did all around households like cleaning, iron, uh, laundry, and cooking, and took care their children's. Saudi Arabia, March 2024 to April 2026. I worked to a couple family with five adults children's age. I did all around households, chores, and assisting to the needs of their children's.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and trustworthy.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to go abroad?
To earn money for my family, to earn money to support for the study of my daughter.
Are you willing to take care a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes. The wheels on the bus go round, 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 go round, round, go round, round. The bell on the bus go ding, 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 ding. The wipes on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
Are you scared of cats or dogs?
No, sir, I am not afraid. I am willing to take care cats and dogs.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them about it in calm voice.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, if you are going to hire me, I promise to finish my contract and I will extend if you need me. I promise to here treat you like my own family. I will learn to speak Cantonese and cook more Chinese food. Thank you.